Once upon a time, in a small town named Sunnyville, there lived four curious and adventurous friends: Liam, Emma, Noah, and Olivia. One sunny afternoon, they decided to embark on a culinary adventure. Their mission was to learn how to cook a roasted duck, or as Noah put it,
to boldly cook what no kid has cooked before.
They gathered at Emma's house, which had a spacious kitchen filled with all sorts of cooking utensils. Emma's mother, a renowned chef in Sunnyville, agreed to guide them through the process.
Are you ready, kids?
Emma's mother asked, her eyes twinkling with excitement.
Yes, chef. Yes, chef.
They chorused, their eyes sparkling with anticipation as they donned their aprons and chef hats. Liam added,
"And may the forks be with us."
First, they learned how to prepare the duck. They watched attentively as Emma's mother demonstrated how to clean the duck and remove the innards.
Remember, cleanliness is key in cooking.
She reminded them.
And in avoiding food fights.
Liam quipped, earning a round of giggles. Then, they took turns massaging the duck with a mix of salt, pepper, and herbs. The air was filled with the aroma of rosemary and thyme, making their stomachs rumble in anticipation.
I hope the duck doesn't tickle.
Noah joked as he massaged the duck. Next came the stuffing. They chopped apples, onions, and celery into small pieces and mixed them with breadcrumbs. Noah, who was usually quiet, couldn't help but giggle as he got his hands messy mixing the stuffing.
This is fun.
Noah exclaimed, his eyes shining with delight.
It's like making a sandcastle, but with food.
They filled the duck with the stuffing, each of them eagerly participating in the process.
Duck needs stuffing. Stuffing needs duck.
Olivia announced, causing everyone to burst into laughter. Then, it was time to roast the duck. They carefully placed the duck in a roasting pan and put it in the oven. As the duck started to cook, the kitchen was filled with a delicious aroma that made them even more excited.
If only we could bottle this smell and sell it, we'd make a fortune.
Emma mused. While waiting for the duck to roast, they set the table and prepared some side dishes. They made mashed potatoes, green beans, and a tangy orange sauce to go with the duck. Olivia, who loved art, took charge of arranging the food on the plates, turning each dish into a masterpiece.
Look at this. It's like a painting.
Olivia exclaimed, her eyes sparkling with pride.
A painting you can eat.
Liam added, causing another round of laughter.